Okay, this is how you change the headlamp bulb on a Golf 7R. You can see there's the globe inside there. Okay, so you need to remove this screw and this screw and this screw and this screw. See, one more in front here. Then remove this panel. Okay, to gain access to the headlight, you just left take off the grille. Okay, once you've taken off those two screws, then the grille simply lifts up. As you can see, here the whole grille comes out. To expose the screws, you can see this is one of the screws for the headlight. You can see the headlight's already starting to come loose. There's more screws down at the bottom. You can see inside there, that is the screw that secures the headlight, and there's another one at the back inside there. Okay, so remove those, and you can see there's one more just over there for the bumper. Okay, so remove those, and you can see there's one more just over there for the bumper. Okay, then you can see inside there are some bolts. You can just see them. You see those bolts there. Okay, you can see those bolts there. You have to remove those two bolts. Alright, so you would just pull the bumper outwards, and all of this is just to get to that one bolt over there. And then to get the bumper off, you need to remove that screw, and that screw. Then the whole bumper will be easy to remove. Okay, you can see the whole thing is loose. And with that, the headlight is loose. All you have to do is unplug the plug. You can see they do come off sometimes a little bit difficult. The best thing is to push and pull. As you can see, the clip if you look at the clip, you can see how it works. You have to push it. Right, then the whole headlight can come out. Okay, after a bit of fettling, you can see there's the entire headlight out. Right, you can see you've removed the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you expose the cap. You can see that is the globe inside there. You can see usually there's a lock. You can see on the side here, that's the lock. You would have to turn it. Okay, turn it anti-clockwise. So you can see it's down now, it was up. Then you can see it is hard to come out because of these clips here. You can see once you've got the globe out, you can see you would just press this button here to take the globe off. Alright, and there you have it. Then you would check on the back of the globe. This is a D3S. You can see there, D3S35.